My name's Jake Tupman, and I'm going to tell you a little bit why I'd like to work for the National Trust. Nowadays, do children do too much of this? And not enough of this? Have we lost touch with the outside world? How has this happened? What does the outside world have to offer? How can we become a more outdoors nation? As an outdoors mogul with a background in journalism, I'm going to do my best to answer these questions and more. Today I've come to one of Somerset's most beautiful National Trust places, Flowerhead House and Gardens. I'm going to be talking to real people out in the countryside about whether they prefer to be indoors or outdoors. At this lovely time of year, do you prefer indoors or outdoors?
It has to be outdoors.
Indoors or outdoors?
Indoors.
Indoors. Indoors or outdoors?
Outdoors.
Be indoors or outdoors?
Oh, definitely indoors.
The debate wages on, but one question remains. Why have the British public fallen out of love with the great outdoors? With such a magic array of flora and fauna, surely we can encourage young people to become more interested in the great outdoors. And look at this extraordinary building, St Peter's Pump, built in 1474, another one of the British countryside's beautiful hidden gems. In the national press, the Trust has been accused of becoming too like Disney. If drastic measures aren't taken to encourage more young people to go outdoors, then our next generation of intrepid explorers might not be left out in the cold.